Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sakina Kazmi and today I'm going to show you how to build a lead magnet funnel using Gohighlevel. If you ever wondered how to set up a funnel that captures leads and grows your email list, you're in the right place. This step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. So grab your coffee, sit back and let's get started. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what a lead magnet funnel is. A lead magnet funnel is a series of web pages. Usually it's a one page, honestly, designed to offer something valuable like a PDF, a guide, a checklist, in exchange for someone's contact information, usually their email address. So I have an example here. This is a lead magnet page. So if you scroll down, this is a guide and it shows you what you will get in the guide. There's a call to action button, and this section says why you need this guide or a starter kit. And then you can see the testimonials, and then there is a call to action button or section again. And this is a powerful way to grow your list and nurture leads over time. So let's jump into Gohighlevel, and I'm going to show you how you can build the same opt-in page or a lead page in Gohighlevel. So first you need to go log into your Gohighlevel account. Once you're in the sub account, you can go to sites, click on create new funnel. You are welcome to use any of the templates, or if you want to build from scratch, you can also do that. I'm going to create the funnel from blank. Let's name it lead funnel guide and create. Okay, so here we can add pages or steps. So in lead magnet funnel, you need an opt-in page and a thank you page. So this should call opt-in page, and we are going to create from blank. So you can keep the example in your mind when you're going to design this if you want to build the same opt-in page. Let's add, okay. So here, these are the elements and the section rows. So once you're in the builder, you can see from where you can add sections, rows, elements. So we are going to add section because section goes first, then comes rows, and then comes the columns. So we are going to add one column row and an image for the logo. So what I'm going to do is, for now, I'm going to use the same image and just paste it here just to save time. And yeah, that's it. We are going to minimize the padding of the section, and then we are going to add a new section which will be full width, add two column rows, and here we are going to add text and the paragraph. And let's copy the text from here. I'm going to copy it because I don't want to think about text at the moment. In case you already have the copy in your document, feel free to use your copy. And we are going to make it 20 or 26. Yeah. So if you ever wonder how to pick the same font that a certain page has, what you need to do is right click on your screen, go to inspect, Okay, and also if you see desktop and mobile icon here, you need to click here so you can switch between mobile and desktop version. I'm going to click on the mouse and then hover over the text. So you can see up in front, it's 26 font and then 40 px and then 21, 26, 40 and 21. So I'm going to use the same custom font, which is Ubuntu. And then we have is 40 and the font is, and then we have, okay, one more thing is I would suggest that you at least use one headline and one subheadline in your first section. So this can be your headline. I'm just going to move it down. And then this can be your text. We can make it, or I think I'll just use 18, but you can, feel free to, change the font size based on your design. And I'm going to add a background image. So let me see if I can find. Okay, I have one here. And then we're going to add a background color which can be black or white. And then you need to add background image opacity to heavy fade. If you want to keep it like white, we can do that. So now I'm going to update the font colors so that these are visible. These are bold text color and white. We're going to add the color to the bold text. So I'm going to add this. Because this is bold, so we have the setting to change the bold color, which I'm going to change it. So it automatically adds. Now we are going to add a button. I need to customize the button as the reference page. Let's add a margin, or yeah. So I'm going to see, send me the free starter kit. Me the free starter kit. You can also use an extension to pick the colors from a certain page. I'm using this extension called eyedropper. You can find it on Google Store, and that's it. Okay. So I went ahead and designed the other sections, but I'm not going to show it here so that you can also test it at your end. So you're more than welcome to try all the other sections that we have on this page. Now, when you see a design, you see that we have three columns here. This is one column row. This is one column row with a button, and this is two column row just like we designed here. So it's easy, and I hope that you try and let me know how it went. I would love to see your design as well. Now I would like to show you how you can add a form in the pop-up. I think I already added here. Let me show. Okay, so we don't have a form. So if you go to the top menu, you need to find a pop-up settings and go here. So I have the text here, get your ultimate sales funnel starter kit. You can add your own freebie text. and then we are going to add a form element. So let's search for the form element and let's create the form first. So I'm going to show you how you can create a form. It will be simple. Form builder, and I have some forms created, but I'm going to show you to create a new form which I've just added. Add form, create from scratch. I hope that this video will help you how to build your lead magnet along with setting up the functionality, because that is more important. We can build the design, but the functionality is important. So I'm just skipping these all these steps. We should have the content box here so you can change the text and then keep it there, but I'm going to just steps. So I'm going to keep it simple. Sign me up for business hacks, and then let's do it. Yes, send me the starter kit or send me the guide. Let's change the button, the color. So I want to pick the font color. That is the longest method I've used. Usually I just use the eyedropper. So let's paste it, add it. I'm just increasing the size, and you can try and play around with the form customization. Let's add here. Let's increase the weight. And I'm going to add one more thing, which is input style to line. I prefer it that way. And I'm going to remove the labels. Let's add placeholder. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Okay, that's it. I'm going to remove the background, but you can keep it if you want. But I don't like it. Also the shadow. Let's go to advanced. So no shadow and no border. And I think we need the padding. Let me find the padding. Go to styles and options. Go to layout. And we need to add the padding to the input field. So yeah, it's here. I think 20 is good, or no, 15 is good. Okay, let's save. And you can set your message right here if you don't have a thank you page. Thank you for taking the time to complete this form. Your starter kit is on its way to your inbox. I'm just going to keep it simple so that we can focus on the functionality and save. So the form is created. Oh, let me also add the name. This is demo starter kit. See. And let's go to our page. Go to pop up. Now search for the demo starter. So it's here. We have our form. Yay. Let's save. And if you have domain connected, you can publish it. So that's it. Now we can preview this. I also added other sections, so let's click and it should show the pop-up. Oh, make sure that you have button connected with the pop-up. So I go to button settings and it's linked to pop-up, so it should show up here. Let's close, let's click, so it's working. Good. Now, and also if we test it out, currently it will just show up the message. Let's go back and create an automation because we need that. And before creating an automation, let's go to marketing and create an email templates. I'm just going to create from blank design editor. Just deleting all this duplicate. So the first part will be our logo, the bottom will be the footer. I'm going to have it center lined and add a color which is black. This I prefer this, yeah. And let me add my logo here, which I can find. Let's add width. Yeah. Now we need to add the content. So let's add text. Hi, you need to add a custom value so that you can auto capture the name. Hi, thank you for signing up to get my ul- ultimate starter kit or funnel starter kit or whatever you name it. Access your kit below. And now I'm going to add the button. Make sure you duplicate and add the button in between because otherwise you won't be able to add the button between the texts without adding a separate element. And this will be love or regards Kina or whatever. Now I'm going to add the line height. Make sure the line height is 1.5, which is good. I'm just going below. I'm going to change the button to my brand colors. It can be this or a different one. Okay. Padding. You can add more content. So let's go to settings, add your, add the subject, access to your, access your kit and save. We are going to skip the name and email. I'm going to show you in the workflow demo starter kit so we know where it is. So we have created the email. Let's go back, go to automation because now we are going to do the most important, which is the connection between your design and the functionality. I'm going to create workflow, start from scratch, name it demo starter kit, add a trigger. So you need to add a trigger which is form submitted because when they submit the form, we want them to enter to this workflow. So once the form is submitted, make sure you add into the filter what form it is. So this is demo starter kit. Add here demo starter kit. Excuse my spelling. Save trigger. The first thing I suggest is add a tag because this is important to filter it out later when you're trying to find the leads. So let's add demo starter kit, save action. Now we are going to add the email. Let's search email. So we have found the email action and choose from the templates because we already create the template. So the name was demo starter kit. It automatically captured the subject. Now we need to add from name and email. You can either directly type in here, could be me and my email. So, but I have created the custom values in the backend, so I'm going to use that and save and publish. Make sure it's published and then save. We have another way to add the from name and email, which is going to the settings. This is important so that you can go to sender details, from name, custom values, friendly sender name, and then go to from email. This is the extra step which I recommend, but when you learn how to create custom values, then you can use this, which I'm going to show in a different video. So yeah, we have created a workflow. Now comes the best part, which is testing. Let's go to our page. Make sure it's mobile optimized. Let's go to mobile mode, and I think the text should be minimized. It should be 32 or less. Yeah, and the size, I think it's fine for this. The size should be 70 or 18. Yeah, save. So it's optimized because we have most audience on mobile. Now we are going to do the test. I'm going to preview, and also I want to show you how you can create thank you page. It's simple. I have cloned the, oh sorry, I think I've opened workflow. Let's go to sites, lead funnel guide. I've cloned the page, and I think this is the clone version. I'm going to use it to make it a thank you page. Let's edit. You can also switch between pages from in the editor here. That will save some time. And okay, so I'm going to, from my pop-up settings, my work form, I'm going to here use a redirect action to go to next step and save, so that when I'm done with the thank you page, it goes to the next step automatically. I don't need to change it here again. And let's, I think I'm just going to delete all these steps which I don't want, which I created. Yeah, just okay. Congratulations. Your kit is on its way to your inbox. Don't forget to check your junk or spam folder. And this can be just visit website, or or maybe join my community, which can leads to your Facebook. And say I'm just going to add it in the footer so that we have this. And let's remove this. That's it. Simple. Now we're going to test. Reload the page. Okay. Demo. Make sure that country picker is enabled in the form, which I didn't show here. Okay, I'm going to use my email, and check this. See, we have the thank you page, so that worked. And now I need to go and check if I receive an email. Yay! It's here, access your kit. And the second step is how to upload your PDF and then link it to the button. So let's go back, and this was missed. Let's go to the media storage and upload. So I have my PDF somewhere, or it can be a picture. Currently, if it's a PDF, I'm just finding out any PDF I have. All right, you can use any picture, but I'm just, yeah, here it is. Just uploading directly. And once it's uploaded, make sure that you click on the three dots, get link. Now we need to go back to marketing, email templates. I'm showing this so that we don't miss any part to, you know, get done your freebie. So add a button link here. So now that you got the link of the PDF, because it's, oh, okay, sorry. Let's link URL in the media storage, save template. Now we can test again to see that we got. So I'm going to test. I don't want to collect. I'm going to use the same email because we have enabled the re-entry in the workflow so that we can test. And it's good sometimes to enable the re-entry so that, okay, I got the email 0 minute ago, so this is the new one. And if I click here, I should be able to get my freebie, which is the Ultimate Sales Gear Funnel Starter Kit. So I hope that you practice this and let me know what you created so far. Thank you. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to build funnels, websites, automations, and also AI, because I'm going to create some AI videos. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.